So we love planting flowers in the garden bed as well as our vegetables. And one thing that we have not tried yet is butterfly milkweed. And we're also going to be doing some landscaping with the heirloom Coleus mix. And these are both non-GMO, which is great because that means that we can basically collect seeds from the plants that we actually germinate. And then those seeds we can use in future years to come, and they are also made in the USA. The heirloom butterfly milkweed has 75 seeds. This one has 1,600 seeds, and as avid gardeners, I really appreciate how many seeds are actually in each of these packets and the clear instructions on how to actually germinate. For example, with the butterfly milkweed, it is going to be, important to water young plants as it is with most flowering plants. And you're going to avoid disturbing roots. Don't transplant. You want to direct sow into the soil in late fall, just below the soil surface. For spring sowing, you want to refrigerate the seeds for 30 days. Keep the soil moist. Thin them out for the strongest plants so that they don't overcrowd each other. And then you'll basically want to provide full sun or part sun and well-draining soil. Water lightly once established, and they are drought tolerant. That's for the butterfly milkweed. For the Coleus, start indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Sow the seeds 1/4 an inch deep in loose soil. Maintain at 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit for germination. Germinate for 7 to 14 days in full light. Thin or transplant seedlings 10 inches apart. Repot indoors before frost in cool zones. So you want to just make sure you keep the soil evenly moist when you're taking care of these. Avoid oversaturation. And if you want to encourage growth, then pinch the tops, and that's going to give you bushier growth rather than more like the Christmas tree structure. So overall, definitely very happy with these seeds, and I'm going to be keeping you updated on germination and actual growth progress and everything as well. But otherwise, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Happy gardening. Sending good vibes your way.